No coffee.
No coffee! No coffee!
No coffee.
No coffee!
No coffee! What?
No coffee.
No coffee? No coffee! That office light doesn't have to be fluorescent. I'll get no pains in the head. That office chair doesn't have to be foam rubber. So if I spread, but only one chemical substance gets out the lead.
Like she said, if I can't take my coffee break, my coffee break, my coffee break, if I can't take my coffee break, gone is the sense of enterprise, and something within me. My coffee break.
Somehow the soul no longer tries.
Somewhere I don't like
Something within me.
Coffee or otherwise, something inside of me dies.
suur tänu, tantsijad, selle mõnusa Broadway esituse eest.